In a historic turn of events, former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte is set to face trial at the International Criminal Court, ICC, for crimes against humanity linked to his administration's controversial war on drugs. The trial will be presided over by 3 distinguished female judges, each bringing a wealth of experience and expertise in international law. Judge Iulia Motoc, the presiding judge of the pre-trial chamber. Judge Motoc hails from Romania. She earned her Bachelor's of Law degree from the University of Bucharest in 1989 and went on to obtain her Master's degree and PhD in International Law from the University Paul Cézanne, Aix-Marseille III. Judge Motoc has an extensive background in human rights, having served as a judge at the European Court of Human Rights, ECHR, from 2013 to 2023. She has also worked with the United Nations, where she held various positions, including Vice President of the UN Human Rights Committee and President of the UN Subcommission on Promotion and Protection of Human Rights. Judge Reina Alapinigansu, a Beninese judge, Alapinigansu has been with the ICC since 2018. She holds a joint postgraduate degree from Maastricht, Lome, and Bhutan universities, as well as a degree in common law from the University of Lyon. Judge Alapinigansu has a Master's in Business Law and Judicial Careers from the National University of Benin. She has also earned multiple diplomas in international human rights law from institutions such as the African Institute of Human Rights and the René Cassin Institute. Her extensive experience includes serving as a special rapporteur on the situation of human rights defenders in Africa. Judge Maria del Socorro Flores Liera, the third judge, Maria del Socorro Flores Liera, brings her expertise from Mexico. She has a strong background in international law and human rights, having served in various capacities within the United Nations and other international organizations. Judge Flores Liera's experience includes working on cases involving crimes against humanity, genocide, and war crimes. The charges against former President Duterte stem from his administration's aggressive anti-drug campaign, which began in 2016 and resulted in thousands of deaths. Human rights organizations estimate that up to 30,000 people may have been killed during the crackdown, many of them victims of extrajudicial executions allegedly carried out by police and vigilante groups. The ICC has been investigating Duterte for his role in these killings since 2021, and the issuance of the arrest warrant marks a significant step toward accountability. As the trial unfolds, the world will be watching closely to see whether justice will be served for the thousands of victims of the Philippines drug war. The outcome of this trial could set a precedent for how international courts handle human rights violations committed by former heads of state, particularly in Southeast Asia.